This is exactly how you do the timing on the SR20 DE. DET.
Oh my goodness.
See this dude with the Subaru hat on? That's Ahmed.
Don't put me on YouTube, man. I'm being serious, dude. Seriously.
That's how they find you, bro.
Yeah, I don't want that
I
shit.
don't want them to find me right now.
That's why I got your fingers on there. They're gonna be like, let me look at that pinky, yo. I know that pinky when I see it. Yeah, I know that pinky. They be like, that dude with the dreads fucked it up.
Probably did.
Alright, I think the way you do it. How's it go? The bottom one's supposed to be lined up where at? This is informational shit right here.
Seriously. I don't want that shit on.
The notch on the crank sprocket, got it lined up.
There you
The
go.
mark on the block.
Yep, that one right there. Got to line up to that notch. Turn the motor at top there, send of course.
Alright.
And then this
And that top
dot
dot.
pin here,
Uh-huh.
the same over here.
Yep.
This one got to be at 10 o'clock. This one got to be at 10 o'clock.
Get that 10 o'clock and 12 o'clock. See that dot there? That's got to be there. And that dot there has got to be there.
Both silver links got a link to the mark, timing mark.
Yep, for sure.
That's marking right. There's still too much slack in the fucking
shit.
chain.
Sound like somebody breaking shit.
Alright, there's the issue right there.
Yep. We ran into a problem, y'all. We got to get this boat out. Yep. So the timing is properly set on the SR20.
Yeah, the guide in, the chain guide.
The guy goes in and all that good
Guide
stuff.
here.
Yep. That's how you set the timing on the SR. Minus the guides and all.
Yeah. Alright, there we go.
Chromatic head gasket. Yes, sir.
Control this one. Control this gasket.
What's wrong with the gasket?
There's nothing wrong with that gasket.
Alright. There we go.
Now let Vlad go blow the tires off that hole.
Huh?
Huh?
So what? All of this is going on here?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I need a guide.
Going stock with it. There we go. Now it's time to put the guides on. Man, we making a video here, man. You gotta tighten up.
That's what he forgot, the chain.
Alright. We holler back at y'all when he get the guides cleaned up.